in the back. He retired. God, still not resting.
Come on. Let's go, Pennsylvania. Oh, what the fuck are you doing? What are you stopping for? Come on. Come on. Let's go. Seriously, this car's coming. What the fuck are you doing? What the fuck are you doing? You can go now. Really? Really? Fuck. Really? You can go now. You can go. There you go. Good job.
Beep, beep, motherfucker!
Podcast, everybody. Go fuck yourselves. Enjoy the football tonight.
What the fuck are you doing? Get out of my lane. Seriously. Really?
The more I think about it, the more you could beat out
Really?
the park with Walmart.
Really? You can go now.
You know
You can go now.
carrying a drug you the World Series at that
What the
point.
fuck was that? What the fuck are you doing? Stay in your own lane.
Maple Leafs.
What? What the fuck are you doing?
The Bruins in 8 games.
They gave them up 6.
What the fuck are you
It
doing?
was more work than fun.
Really? Come on, Hyundai. Let's go. Get with the program. Dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh dear. Get out of the street. Get out of go. Run. Go away. What do you do?